Welcome to our video about search box optimization or SBO. In this video, we will explain what SBO is and how you can use it to rank on the first page of Google. We will also give you some tips and tricks to optimize your search box for better results. Search box optimization or SBO is the art of optimizing the search function within your website to improve the user experience and to rank higher on search engine results pages, also known as CRPs. This means that if you have a well-optimized search box, your website will be more visible and more accessible to your target audience. There are several techniques that you can use to optimize your search box for better results. You can personalize search results based on the user's location, browsing history, or search history. You can also provide autocomplete suggestions or spell check to reduce typos and misspellings. Another technique is to provide filters that allow users to refine their search results based on specific criteria such as category or price. The importance of SBO cannot be overstated. The search box is the main entry point for users to find what they are looking for on your website. By optimizing your search box, you can improve the user experience, reduce bounce rates, and increase engagement. Moreover, a well-optimized search box can help your website rank higher on SRPs, which can lead to increased traffic, conversions, and revenue. That's it for our video about how to use search box optimization to rank on the first page of Google. We hope you found the information useful and informative. Remember, SBO is not a one-time event. It requires ongoing maintenance and optimization. By following the tips and tricks we provided, you can optimize your search box and improve your website's visibility, user experience, and search engine ranking.